All right, guys, we got 2003 Infiniti G35, and we're gonna put the front lip right there. You can find this online, and let me show you what we got today. This bag is empty, but there's a part number here. You can search it up. It's BLF 1G352 TRPU, and there's other numbers right there if you need to know those numbers. 01R16B, and there's another number there, 40312237. That's a barcode number. And let's see if there's any other part numbers. That's it. It's gonna come with these tap screws. It's really easy. And there's the piece we have. That's the front lip right there. And all you need is a drill with a Phillips head screw. All right, we're gonna go up in the air now. I got people coming to the shop. There it goes. Yeah. All right, so there you go. And it's really simple. All you do is you line this up, and there it goes. That's how simple it is. And all we're gonna do is put a couple bunch of tap screws. We might have to heat up over here a little bit. It's a little bit crooked, but other than that, bada bing, bada boom. Hold on to it, all right? All right, so as you guys seen, my boy was helping me. So we held up the front lip here. It's going all across. Then we put a little bit of screws here, few in the bottom, going across, right there. They're all tap screws. You just tap them right in with your drill. And then we got one down here. I wish I had more. Oh, I do got one more. That's how I was looking. There's supposed to be two here because all I did was spread them out. So two here, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the front, two in that corner, two on the back end in the front, and two over here. And that's it. Bada bing, bada boom.